Imagine a world where your smartphone screen is smoother, faster, and more responsive than ever before. Apple has just launched the iPhone 16 series, but whispers of the iPhone 17 are already creating a buzz. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 series will feature groundbreaking LTPO display technology. This new technology promises 120Hz ProMotion displays for all models, not just the Pro versions. These screens, sourced from Samsung and LG, will make scrolling, animations, and gaming incredibly smooth. The iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to be powered by the A19 Pro chip with 12 GB of RAM. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 17 and the new iPhone 17 Air might run on the A18 or A19 chip with 8 GB of RAM. All models in the iPhone 17 lineup are anticipated to include 24-megapixel front-facing cameras. In contrast, the current iPhone 16 series is limited to a 60Hz display, making the upcoming advancements even more exciting. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone 17 series, where innovation meets excellence. Don't miss out on the future of smartphones.